gotta hit the record button.
I did. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi!
Hi, everybody. So, today we are at Jackspot's, but now we're leaving it, so.
Daddy wanted more wings.
Yeah! My dad wanted more wings. But now we are just leaving Jackspot's, which is right back there.
Best place in the valley to get wings.
Oh, yes, it is. For my mommy and daddy.
I was gonna say, you don't even eat wings.
For my mommy and daddy, but I don't like wings, but my mommy and daddy do. So,
Mommy went home with her wings. We have a wing of the week. It's called Maple Barbecue. It's really good. And Daddy wanted his creamy mango habanero, like he always gets. And Mommy
we
came
have
home
a
with
new
her wings,
casita for
and
Rhea.
he was stealing them.
We also have a new car seat for Rhea, so it's very new because we just got it yesterday, right?
Yep.
So,
She got her big girl car seat.
say hi, Mom.
Hi!
Hi, everybody. Rhea's new car seat. I love Rhea's new car seat, Mom.
Yeah.
Don't you love it?
Did you show everybody your flamingo?
Oh, yeah. My flamingo. Sequence. Sequence heart.
Isn't that the rarest of them all? The unicorn?
This is the rarest golden flamingo of them all.
Bought it with your birthday money?
Bought it with my birthday money. Yeah. So, right now I'm flipping the sequence so you guys can see the sequence that's all uploaded. So, you guys can see what it is.
Tell them what it smells like.
It smells like grapes. And
And you got
I got
Putty.
unicorn poop.
it's like a putty slime.
It smells like strawberries.
Yeah, like strawberry blueberry or something.
Here's the sequence heart where it is. It's a rainbow. Also it has rainbow hair. It also has a unicorn horn.
Here,
And it
we're
has-
gonna see if we can hit this puddle here.
Look at the puddle. Everybody,
Ready?
look at that puddle, everybody. Okay.